Oh my gosh, everyone. We have an update and some news. I would say pretty big news because something's finally happening with appeals. But before we get into that, I'm going to explain why I have been gone. I have been missing for like a week, or why I haven't done videos in a week. And also sometimes I'll be wearing this hat just to, represent my husband, support of my husband. And if you laugh at me, that's okay, because so did my kids when I put it on. And if you want to blame anyone for why my husband wears his hats, well, you can blame me, because I'm the one that told him and started buying them for him, because there's nothing hotter or sexier than a man that wears a freaking backwards hat like it. But before we get to this topic, don't forget to shop at onlytacticalfans.com to get you some freedom-fighting American badass merch. So why I was gone for like a week is because my husband and the whole facility was on lockdown. My husband was locked down for like anywhere from 10, 13 days, something like that. And he didn't get to have phone calls, he didn't get to have emails, nothing, no communication. So I was kind of going a little cuckoo because that's the longest I've ever not talked to my husband for. And our kids not talking to dad. So, and not to mention, on the 12th, it was his birthday. And on the 13th, it was our youngest birthday. So there's a lot of emotions of going on where I could just feel his pain, not being able to say happy birthday to his youngest, and then us not being able to say happy birthday to him. He's just in his cell with his cellie in this little area and can't get out. When I finally did get a phone call from him, which was on the 13th, I believe. Oh my gosh. You guys, that was like, I was like, holy shnikes. I get to hear my husband's voice again. I get to wish him a happy birthday. Like, how is he doing? Is he doing okay? And it was a little rough for him. Obviously, it's inhumane to lock fucking people up. Tell me how we're a free country, right? But yet, United States of America has the most incarcerated people in the United States. Not any other country, this country. But yet we're a free country. I don't think so. Now the reason why they were on lockdown is supposedly contraband. Supposedly they found like 75 cell phones and some drugs. There's also a rumor that one of the inmates that had cell phone in there, like he posted a video on TikTok and it went semi-viral. I can confirm this. I actually seen some of the videos. It's kind of crazy. I can't understand all of it though because it's in Spanish. So that part's true. And then another one is supposedly all in the minimum camp. Everyone there and even some correctional officers were on meth and they had to fire a bunch of correctional officers. And yeah, there's a lot of people in the shoe right now. So yeah, back to not being able to say happy birthday him. Yeah, I didn't know how to deal with that. I'm still trying to figure out like emotions. You think that like since it's almost going to be a year in April that he's been locked up that I would figure this out, but I just don't think I ever will because he's the love of my life. He's my soulmate and what has happened is still like crazy and wild. So I don't know if I'll ever get over that. But yeah, I'm trying my best. I'm still up here. There's just going to be times where if I go silent, it's probably because I'm going through some stuff, mentally or emotionally or with our kids. So, but I still appreciate you guys still watching the videos and supporting us as always. Anyways, appeals. So, appeals. We have been waiting forever for something to happen. And something is happening today, Thursday. And the date today is January 18th. So, what is happening? Briefing process. Now, there's multiple steps in appeals. And I'm going to read off some stuff and explain a little bit more of what's happening. Appeals. I'm so excited that something is finally happening. Oh my gosh. It just seems like everything is taking forever. In appeals courts, a briefing refers to a written legal document submitted by each party involved in an appeal. These documents provide a comprehensive presentation of legal arguments, relevant facts, and pertinent case law supporting the appellate's position, the party appealing, and the appeals position, the party responding to the appeal. Briefs play a crucial role in helping the appellate court understand the issue at hand, and they serve as a basis for the court's decision-making process. The briefing process allows each side to present their case thoroughly and assist the court in reaching an informed judgment. Now, the steps of appeals. There's multiple different steps. The federal appeals process involves reviewing decisions made by federal district court. Here is a simplified overview of the process. Number 1, trial court, district court. The legal process typically begins at the district court level where cases are initially heard. A judge or jury makes a decision based on evidence, witnesses, legal arguments. And that part has already been done. So, what is the next step? The next step is number 2, notice of appeal. If one party is dissatisfied with the district court's decision, they can file a notice of appeal, which we have done that. You had to do that like 14 days after you were sentenced. So that's already been done. Number 3, appellate court filings. The appellant, party appealing, submits an appellate brief outlining legal arguments and challenging aspects of the district court's decision. The appealee, opposing party, the government, may file a responsive brief defending the district court's decision. That's where we are right now. Then after that, number 4 would be oral arguments, which are optional, which means both parties may have the opportunity to present oral arguments before the appellate court. This allows judges to ask questions and seek clarifications. And that'll be coming really soon, probably in 30 days. So number 3, the briefing. The briefing is filed today, which means everything is put in of what they're going to appeals on. Now, I will pretty soon here probably make videos of more in-depth of all the paperwork and what we are appealing on. Right now, I'm just trying to get this information out so that you guys have an update. Because a lot of you guys have been asking about appeals, and something is finally happening. Yes. So, the government has, now that it's entered in today, the government has 30 days to respond. Basically, if they don't respond, it looks bad. But they probably will because it's the government. So once they do respond within the 30 days, I mean, of course, I'm sure they can do extensions and stuff like that, which they probably will because it's the government. But hopefully not. And if they don't, then in 30 days, then that's when the 3 judges will get picked, right? And then after the 3 judges are picked, they'll start going through it, and any questions they have or they want more information about something, that's when they'll ask, and that's also when the government and Matthew's attorneys can go back and forth and argue. And normally this is in paper form, but his attorney requested that it be in person for argument. So, yeah, that's a good thing. Then after all the judges have confirmed, okay, we have all the information we have, that's when they will make a decision. And I've heard anywhere, when I looked it up, it could be anywhere from 2 months to 2 years. So I can't give you guys a time because I have no idea. I wish I could. I wish I knew. I just don't. But I'm just happy that something is happening. So that is awesome. Number 5, appellate court decision. The appellate court reviews the case based on the briefs, oral arguments, if any, like I just talked about earlier, and relevant legal precedent. The court may affirm, reverse, or remand the district court's decision. If reversed, the appellate court might issue a new decision or send the case back to the district court for further proceedings, or they could dismiss it, or they could take it straight up to, en banc? So yeah. Number 6, appealing further, petition for Superior U.S. Supreme Court. If dissatisfied with the appellate court decision, the losing party may seek further reviewing by filing a petition for Superior, basically for it to go up to the U.S. Supreme Court. The Supreme Court has discretion in deciding whether to hear the case. And hopefully they will because, this is pretty crazy. Some of the stuff that we look back at and seen of what they said and denied is actually pretty crazy. Number 7, U.S. Supreme Court decision, if accepted. If the Supreme Court accepts the case, it reviews the arguments, conducts oral arguments, and issues a final decision. The Supreme Court's decision is typically final, and it becomes the law of the land. And not all cases go to the Supreme Court, but hopefully this one will. I feel like it's got a good chance because they deny all of their motions. And some of the things that you look back And I don't know. I just will explain more of it when I get more into the appeals papers and stuff like that. Because I believe there's 64 pages that his attorney wrote up and is appealing on. So that's a lot. So hopefully we'll get into that soon. Yeah, so that's just a little update and also big update because something is happening. I'm finally excited. And also for Justin's a briefing process, his also was 2 days before Matthew's. So yeah, and I will also put, if you want to write both of them, I'll also put Justin's and Matthew's, even though I have Matthew's right here. If you want to write both of them, I'll put that in the description. As always, I thank you guys so much for watching me, supporting me and my family and my kids. It means a lot. I'm going to keep saying that. You guys are probably annoyed with it, but yeah, it is what it is. If you guys would like to continue to support, shop at onlytacticalfans.com Shopify to get you some badass merch. Plus, guys, it's being made right now, another patch. I know, another patch. Like, I'm trying to figure out, like, who I can go to for shirts because I have so many good ideas. If you guys know anyone or know how to, like, kind of do that, let me know. Send me an email, which the email is down in the description. But the patch that I have being made right now is, like, one of a kind. It was handwritten in prison where Matthew's at right now. And it's our, like, new logo. Well, it's not really new, but I don't know. You guys have never seen it. So maybe it is kind of new. The name is the same, but, like, the logo of it is pretty badass. So I cannot wait for that to come out. Also, I was thinking about doing a Q&A video. So if you guys would like that, put some questions down in the description. And if there's enough of them, I will make a video answering them about whatever. So yeah, thank you guys so much. And if you'd like to support, there's shit down in the description. And I will see you guys next time. Peace. So let's all say happy birthday to Dad in the comments, and I'll read them to him. He'll love that very much. Come here. Oh my gosh, you're getting to be so big. Oh, well, you got food on your... Come on. Gosh, why are you so heavy?
Yeah, I'm so heavy.
Oh, yep, it's Dad. Yay!
Prison.
It's Dad!
This call
It's
is
Dad!
Matthew Hoover.
It's Daddy! He's calling! My phone was on silent. Good thing I looked down on
To
it.
accept this call, press 5. You may begin speaking now.
Because I just called Chow and I gotta say the information real quick. Because this weekend I need you to come to Thompson and come visit me because you guys got your approved.
We got approved?
No?
Yes! We got approved! We got approved! Yeah! Really?
I
Oh.
love you, Dad.
I'll call you later. I love you too, baby.
Say love you, Bugs.
Love you.
Love you, Buggies.
All
Love
right.
you, Banana.
Love you. Bye. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. We get to visit Daddy. Are we excited? Are we excited? Yeah!
When?
I don't know. Maybe this weekend if it's not busy. Should we?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Yes! We're excited! Oh, we get to see Daddy.
And you will edit and we will see us be happy and
Well, it's crazy that I'm recording and he called and got to tell us that we got approved.
And
Yay!
I bet they heard Dad, but not Lily, I think.
Oh, I'm sure they did a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm so excited! Are you guys excited? Are you excited? Yeah, we get to see him and give him a hug. Yeah. It's time to celebrate. You guys! Right on camera. We're recording and oh my gosh, did you guys hear that? We got approved for visits. Finally!
But this hat was open, so I'm gonna wave it.
Oh, you're gonna put...
The
Yay!
hat. Okay,
You want a hat too? Okay, put on the hat. Say shop at onlytacticalfans.com. Say shop
Shop
at
at
Only Tactical Fans.
only at tacticalfans.com
Shopify.
Shopify.
And get you some awesome merch.
And get you awesome merch.
Oh gosh, careful girls. Oh, I'm so excited. Are you guys excited? Okay, put it down before something bad happens. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I want to cry. We get to hold them, we get to hug them, we get to hug them. Oh, put them back. Put those ones back. Oh, I'm so excited. Love you, girls. Say bye.
Bye.
Boogie, you gotta go in front of the camera. Say bye.
Bye.
No, right here. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, Poppy, now you want to say hi? You were like, what's going on? No, not right now, Poppy.